Hey, girls, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone! If you've ever felt lost in the makeup aisle, this video is for you. Today, we're going back to basics. I'm going to talk you through a full face of makeup that adds step by step using the simplest techniques. Let's get started. Step 1. Skin prep the secret sauce. The best makeup starts with great skincare. If your skin is dry, your makeup will look cakey. If it's too oily, it'll slide off. Action: apply a lightweight moisturizer followed by SPF. Pro tip: wait 2 minutes for your moisturizer to sink in before moving to the next step. Step 2. Primer. Primer creates a smooth canvas for your foundation. It fills in pores and helps everything stay in place all day. Action: apply a pea-sized amount to the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Step 3. Foundation or BB cream. For beginners, I recommend a BB cream or a light coverage foundation. You want it to look like skin, just more even. Action: use a damp makeup sponge or your fingers to dot the product on your face and blend downwards and outwards. Step 4. Concealer. This is for brightening the under eyes or hiding any stubborn spots. Action: tap, don't rub with your ring finger or a sponge to blend. Step 5. Setting powder. To keep that concealer from creasing, we need to set it. Action: use a fluffy brush to lightly dust translucent powder over your T-zone and under your eyes. Step 6. Brows. Brows frame your face. You don't need to overdo it. Action: use a brow pencil or tinted gel to fill in any sparse areas using short, hair-like strokes. Brush them through with a spoolie brush to soften the look. Step 7. Bronzer and blush, adding life. Foundation can make your face look flat. We want to add some warmth and color back in. Bronzer. Sweep it in a 3. Shape your temple, your cheekbone, and your jawline. Flush Smile apply to the apples of your cheeks and blend upward toward your temples for a lifted look. Step 8. Eyeshadow and mascara. Keep it simple. Take a neutral brown shade and sweep it across your eyelid. Action: apply mascara by wiggling the wand at the base of your lashes and pulling upward. Pro tip: if you get mascara on your eyelid, wait for it to dry. It'll flake right off with a Q-tip. Step 9. Lips. Finish off with a tinted lip balm, a gloss, or a Your Lips But Better lipstick shade. The final step. This melts the powders into the skin and locks everything in. Action: close your eyes and mist your face in an X and T motion. Closing. And that's it. A fresh, glowing look that's perfect for every day. Remember, makeup is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay glowing and keep shining.